Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well and safe. In today's session, we're gonna learn how to set up billing alarm in your AWS console. So billing alarm will help you to monitor your estimated AWS charges. This data includes the estimated charges for every service in AWS that you use. The alarm shall be triggers when your account billing exceeds the threshold you specify. So it will be very helpful to limit your usage to save your extra billing. So without any wasting time, let's start. So first of all, just open your AWS console account. Then in all the services, go to management and governance and search for CloudWatch. So once it will be opened, go to the alarm section, and in alarms, go to the billing. After clicking on the billing, you will see that there is no alarm has been created. To create an alarm, just click on the create alarm. So it will ask for the few details to set up your billing alarm. So in the graph, you can see it is showing a threshold graph which we are going to specify to limit our threshold. So name is AWS billing, and we are going to set up alarm for estimated charges, and the currency we are going to select for INR because we are from India. So we are setting up in INR currency. You can select any other currency as well as per your use case. And we are doing the statistics maximum default, and we are taking a default period of 6 hours. You can select other timing also if you want, like 15 minutes, 1 hour. But we are right now we are selecting 6 hours as a default. And the static threshold, we run static threshold, not anomaly detection. We want to like if we are crossing 50 rupee INR, then it will be like static value. And if you want to anomaly detection, then you can select this option. But right now we want static, and here we want greater than equal to, and let's select 100 rupee. Sorry, 100 rupee INR. If it will go to the threshold greater than the 100 rupee within the 6 hours, it will trigger your email. So most of the information we filled. This is the additional configuration which we won't require here. So just click on the next. In the next part, it will ask you the alarm trigger section. So this we are the config. We have to set up simple notification services to set up to trigger alarm notification. So just select in alarm, and we haven't set up a simple notification service yet. So if you already had set up, you can select existing SNS, but we haven't. So we are creating a new topic. So I'm creating a new topic. Just mention a name here. Uh, billing billing alarm notification, and here you have to use your email address where it will trigger your email threshold notification. So I'm just selecting email address which I created for demo purpose. Next 00 at gmail.com. Okay, so I'm just creating this topic, simple notification services. Yeah, so this has been done. Now no other information required, so just click on the next button. Here we want to set up a name, this billing alarm name, and the description why we are setting up this information. So we can mention here billing alarm, and we can select a name. Description mention, we can describe a mention here, like please send me an email if billing goes over INR 100 rupees. So the name, billing alarm name, and the description has been added, which is optional. This is not required, but we can describe here, like for which thing, like which purpose we are setting up this billing alarm. Just click on the next. So here you will show that the first step, specifying metric and condition, we have done, configuration information done, and addition name and description has been done. So it's a preview page which we are already which are showing all the information which we set up in the previous these three sections. So the 100 threshold, this name information, conditions, 100 condition greater than equal to, and here the billing alarm name, and here's the billing notification. So just create alarm. Yeah, so billing alarm has been created, but you have seen that key here action shows pending confirmation. So why it shows pending confirmation, you must be wondering. You remember key we have set up, we have put our email address to send up an email notification, but that email address belongs to us or not, that the AWS cannot recognize na. So it will send an email to our that email address to confirm. So I'm going to that email address, I'm just refreshing it. So here you will see that the AWS sent us a subscription confirmation. So once you open that, it will ask for the confirmation subscription. Once I click on that, it will show the subscription has been confirmed. So it shows the subscription confirmed. So if I go come back to my AWS console and refresh this page, it will now show one action. The pending confirmation has been gone. So all the information has been set up. A billing alarm is now active. Here status shows insufficient data because this billing alarm notification and the trigger won't have the sufficient data to trigger other notification. So once it has all data like going all the billing greater than 100 INR, it will trigger to us. So it will save our extra billing estimated charges for all the services we are using in AWS console. It is a very simple way to set up all the billing threshold or estimated charge in your AWS console. I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, or if for any question, please mention it in the comment section. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.